Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the center console from this Hyundai i30. You need to start by removing these two parts. So you gotta be careful, it's a little fragile. So you need to take it out from here. There are some clips behind it which is holding it. For these two parts, there is no screws, nothing. There are just some clips. You can use one of these trim removal tools. You can use the screwdriver as well. Very small screwdriver, but normally I tape around the screwdriver just to make sure it doesn't leave any scratch over here. So we gotta be careful not to break it. So from here, just like that. And this part already removed. So we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Like this, and this is the other side. Then I can take this part out, just like this part of the dash, just like that. So this clip says, you got to be careful about these four. Now you can move this part up. If you want the whole part out, you can just release the clips from here, and then there's one connector again. Take this connector out, and this part of the console is removed as well. There are two screws right here. At the front we have two screws. We have one screw right here. Just take the cover out first. And you see the screw right here. All right, open the box. So there are two 10mm bolts down there. Under the handbrake, you can take this part out, just to make it easier when you're removing. Now grab the center console from the back and take it out. Just like this.